What's going on, everybody? This is your host Manik and welcome back to yet another video on this channel. So as is the ritual on this channel, I flash the latest OxygenOS updates or whatever is new, test it out, sacrifice my device so that you don't have to. So a few days ago this OnePlus 8T got the latest OxygenOS 11.0.5.6 update and I flashed it immediately so that I can share my experience with you guys and if you should update to this latest version or not. So without further delay, let's get into it. And before proceeding, do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already to watch videos like this one in future. So if you haven't got the OT update till now, well, you can either use Oxygen Updater application, and I did show how to use it in the last video, so I'll leave a card to that. But I would recommend you to wait for the OT update because that is for the best. Anyways, so talking about some major issues that I was facing with the previous update. So one pain point, that is call drops with voice over Wi-Fi. Well, they have been fixed with this update and I did not face any call drops or issues even on long calls, and everything is fine in that part. Similarly, the network based video calls are also working fine after this update and you won't have any issues as such. Plus I even installed OnePlus Dialer and you will also love the smoothness it brings, though it is still buggy, but yeah, I like it. So overall, the network stability seems fine as of now and there were no issues even while gaming on mobile data, which is good. Also, the benchmark scores are better after this update, but that doesn't necessarily mean that this device is faster now. So with the previous update, the Geekbench score did increase a bit to 890 in single core and 3235 in the multi-core department. And as of this version, looks like the single core score has improved even more. So now we have 895 in single core and 3226 in the multi-core score. So yeah, that is what it is. Coming to the camera part, and here I found things to be slightly inconsistent. So basically I'm not sure if everyone is facing this issue, but after this update, the camera kind of struggles to focus. And sometimes it takes blurry images that are out of focus, and sometimes it takes great detailed shots. And I'm not really sure what is happening here, but the focus issue is definitely there. So do take a note of that before updating. Though I found the image quality to be similar or bad sometimes because of that out of focus issue. So yeah, you guys can judge now. Talking about the battery performance, so the battery life after this update isn't the best I have seen. It is an improvement over the last update, but not that much. The overnight drain was around 5%, which isn't the best, but yeah. In case you updated to the last version, you can go with this update. Else I would say wait for the next one in case you want the best of battery and camera. So to sum up, well, the device has been fine for the most part, but now the camera issues and even the battery issue is something that has made me a bit skeptical to recommend this update. So I would say skip this one if you are not on 11.0.4.5 update on the OnePlus 8T. And that's it for now. Do like this video if it helps you out and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So I'll see you in the next one.